Imagine a world where your career isn't just shaped by technology, it's powered by it. From transforming healthcare to revolutionizing transportation, AI is unlocking new careers at lightning speed. Want to know how you can get ahead of the curve and land a job in the booming AI industry? Keep watching, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the careers that will skyrocket thanks to AI knowledge. If you like my content and want to stay ahead in the world of AI, help me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers today. First, let's talk about the backbone of AI itself: data scientists and machine learning engineers. These are the masterminds who make AI work. In fact, data science is expected to grow by over 20% in the next decade. Whether you're analyzing data, building algorithms, or training AI models, this field is one of the most sought after in tech today. Next up, let's talk about AI in healthcare. Imagine working in a field where you not only save lives, but use cutting-edge technology to do it. AI is revolutionizing diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. AI specialists and medical data analysts are on the rise as AI helps doctors make faster, more accurate decisions. Another exciting career path is in autonomous vehicles and AI in transportation, with self-driving cars, drones, and AI-powered logistics transforming the way we travel and ship goods. The demand for AI engineers and systems developers in this industry is skyrocketing. If you're passionate about transportation and tech, this could be your future. Then we have AI in consumer tech, from smart homes to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI is a game changer in personal technology. AI product designers and software developers are in high demand to create the next generation of devices that understand us and make our lives easier. Security is more important than ever, and AI is here to protect us. AI cybersecurity experts are crucial in developing systems that predict and prevent cyber attacks. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, the need for AI-driven security solutions is growing rapidly. But AI isn't all techie numbers and algorithms. There's a creative side too. AI in the arts is a field that's taking off, with AI being used in music production, digital art, and even writing. If you're an artist or creative type, you can combine your passion with AI and create innovative projects that were once impossible. Finally, AI entrepreneurs are shaping the future. If you've got an innovative mind, AI opens the door to building your own startup. From AI-powered apps to tech solutions, entrepreneurs who can harness the power of AI are becoming the next wave of tech moguls. AI is more than just a trend, it's the future. Whether you're into coding, healthcare, creative arts, or entrepreneurship, there's an AI career for you. If you're ready to take the leap, start learning today and the sky's the limit. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone who's looking to dive into the world of AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.